Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're going to be talking about, as the title suggests, the front valance or skirt or air dam, whatever you want to call it. People call it a lot of different things online. It is this piece of plastic that GM puts on the front end of all these trucks. It runs all the way along the bottom of the bumper right there, from side to side. It's supposed to increase MPG on the highway, just to make airflow better, but obviously when you look at it from the side, if you end up leveling your truck, lifting your truck, it just looks pretty ugly. So we're going to talk about how to remove that today, and let's get into it. Alright, as you guys can see, I'm on the side of the truck, and I want to show you where the first bolts are. There is two, one on each side, one on the right side, and one on the left side inside the fender well. You can see the head of the bolt right there, and there's another one directly on the other side. The rest of them, I think 17 in total, including the ones on the side, are up underneath. As you can see, they just line the lip all the way through. You can see 1, 2, 3, coming all the way down from end to end. So what you're going to want to do is remove all of those. Because I can't find a standard socket that fits those bolts, I'm just using screwdriver with an end and a 7mm socket. It grabs them fine, and I'm going to remove all those bolts, and then we'll see what it looks like. So I removed those 17 bolts, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it makes it a lot cleaner. Just gives it gets rid of that old grandpa kind of chin it's got going on there with that valance or lip, whatever you want to call it. Here it is removed. You can see there's 17 bolts. These little clips come off too. They stay on the bumper. I would just remove them and just put them on the lip and put the screws in them for wherever you're going to do with the lip, whether throw it out or put it in storage. There's 8 bolts that hold this skid plate, as GM calls it. This is plastic, so I wouldn't really call it a skid plate, but whatever you want to call it. The 8 bolts held up the lip and the skid plate, so as you can see, I just put those 8 bolts back in just so it holds in the bottom of this properly. And that's it, guys. It's that simple, it's that easy. It should take you about 15 minutes and just improves the front end of this truck. It's a popular free mod and it's easy to do. So if you guys like the video, feel free to give it a like, subscribe for more. There's a lot more that's going to come on my 2017 GMC Sierra. And until next time, guys, have a good one.